What if one video could blow up in the US, Japan, and Spain all at once? Don't let your best content stay trapped in one language. With AI, you can clone your voice and translate into 20+ languages. In this video, I'll show you how I turn a single piece of content into a global asset using HitPaw Edimakor. Natural dubbing, accurate subs, the whole package. Let's break some language barriers. Step 1. Launch HitPaw Edimakor. First, if you don't have Edimakor yet, grab it from the link in the description and install it. Once open it up, hit New Project to begin. Step 2. AI Translate and Dubbing. Inside the editor, go to Media, then import your video. Drag it down to the timeline. Now here's where the magic happens. Select the clip on the timeline, head over to the Subtitles tab, and click Video Translator. Since my source video is in English, I'll set the source language to English and translate it into Chinese. Next, customize your subtitles. You can choose translated subtitles only, or enable bilingual subtitles to display both the original and translated text. Then pick your favorite subtitle style from a wide range of modern presets. Now, turn on the Dubbing the Video option. Click My Voice, then click to clone. Upload a short audio sample or record your voice directly in the software. Then your AI voice clone will be generated and saved to your voice library, ready to use for dubbing. You can also choose from the AI voice library. Edimakor's extensive voice library allows you to filter voices by style, use case, gender, or even age. From deep professional narrators to energetic influencer voices, there are plenty of options to match your content style. Once everything is ready, click Auto Subtitling. Wait a few seconds, and your video will be fully translated, subtitled, and dubbed.
I'm obsessed with this perfume lately.
You'll notice the new dubbing voice is playing over the original audio. No worries. Right-click the video clip, select Vocal Remover, and choose Keep Only Background Sound. In just a few seconds, the original dialogue is gone, leaving only clean background music. Let's play it back. It sounds like the creator actually recorded the video in Chinese, right? Finally, make some simple adjustments to the subtitles and audio volume, and your translated video is ready.
I'm obsessed with this perfume lately. It smells so elegant, fresh, and luxurious.
我最近对这款香水着迷。
它的香味既优雅又清新奢华。
With Edimakor, you can translate and dub your videos into multiple languages, including Spanish,
Últimamente estoy obsesionada con este perfume.
Japanese,
最近この香水にすっかり夢中です
Portuguese,
Estou completamente
and
apaixonada
more.
por este perfume
Now you
ultimamente.
can share your
Ele tem
content
cheiro
across
elegante,
global social
fresco
media
e
platforms,
luxuoso.
reach audiences worldwide, and unlock more exposure. Bonus: Export and Social Media Boost. When you export your video, Edimakor also lets you publish straight to social platforms. Plus, by adding Edimakor, you can earn extra 10 bonus points. Can't wait to see what you create. And that's it. Language barriers officially broken. Whether you're repurposing content for global audiences, translating tutorials, or just having fun with memes, this tool changes everything. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.